Good morning and greetings from Penang, Malaysia. This is our second stop here in Malaysia, and as you see, it's a bit overcast, but we're going to hope that blows over. Once we get off the ship, I don't actually think we are actually just now pulling up to the dock, so we haven't tied in yet, nor have we been cleared, so we still have a few minutes before that happens. But once we get off the ship, I have signed up for the highlights of the city tour, so I'm going to go do that. And I'm looking forward to it. I don't think this one will require me climbing many hundreds of stairs, so that should be good. But yeah, I will check back in a little bit, but welcome to Penang. And we are off of the boat and walking again down the pier to this lovely pink building, where we will catch our bus and they will take us out to see the Penang highlights. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's looking like it's shaping up to be a very nice day, which I am excited about. So yeah. So I arrived at the bus because of course I always have things, and the back is open, which is never a good sign. Usually means it's broken. So now we're just waiting to see what happens, because our bus, oh wait, we might have life, but we'll see. Not a good sign though, not a good sign. And the bus is back on. That's a good thing. You ready?
Good news and bad news. Which one first?
The good news.
The bus started.
Yes.
Bad news, you got me.
Yeah. Here we are at the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. It is very long. There are several of these throughout the country. You can find them here in Thailand and other places. You cannot wear shoes in here, so hence no shoes. But yeah, here we are.
Yeah, everybody. See, this is the modern mold. This is a work of art itself. So Mr. Mike, paraffin wax and kept liquefied with a gas underneath. See, it goes right through. Original. It must go through. Then it's original. It doesn't go through, it's printed. And you look at the pattern. If it's exactly the same, this will never be. They have to paint it. To appreciate the color, I would ask you to squat down and look up. Tell me what you see.
Facility where they make these originally printed patterns. This lovely lady here is hand painting one. That gold that you see is actually a wax. And what they do is, after they're finished making the fabric, they then boil it, which takes that wax off and just leaves the background pattern. And these are truly beautiful and original pieces because they're all done by hand. No two look the same. So these are some of what they look like. here we are at stop number 3, which is the Intopia Butterfly Garden. Here we are going to see, it's basically a terrarium of sorts. They got butterflies and other exhibits, so see if you look up. See a variety of black and white and other butterflies fluttering around. So here we are at the second temple of the day, and if you look, it's up there. These folks believe you gotta work for your blessings. So we don't know how many stairs this is gonna be, but we are gonna start this ascension, and I will check back in a bit. Y'all, I decided to call it quits early on the tour. We were going to a museum, and I am not a museum person. And I'm tired, and we were already out behind schedule. So the bus driver just dropped us off at the terminal entrance, and the rest of the crew, us meaning me and the 2 other people who wanted to get off early. So they just dropped us off, and I am walking back to the boat.